Before we jump in, remember, every journey in English starts with small steps, and every step you take brings you closer to the life you want. We're here to walk with you. Welcome back to the Growth English channel.
Hey everyone, it's great to have you here again. Grab your coffee, your notebook, or maybe just your headphones while you're on a walk. We're happy you're with us.
And don't forget, if you're learning with us often, hit subscribe, give us a like, and share this episode with a friend. It really helps the channel grow and keeps us motivated to create more episodes for you.
Absolutely. And today, we have a topic that always brings stories. Good stories, funny stories, painful stories.
Emotional disasters.
Romance triumphs.
Long-distance relationships. But before that, how are you, David? You look a little tired today.
I am. I went to sleep late because I started watching one episode of a show, and suddenly it was 3 episodes.
Classic. And then you wake up like, why did I do this to myself?
Exactly. And you? How's your morning going?
Good, actually. I made breakfast early and I finally cleaned my desk. When my desk is clean, I feel like my whole life gets organized.
That's real personal growth right there.
One clean desk at a time.
All right, now let's get started. Long-distance relationships. Our first time. The good, the bad, and the surprising lessons we learned.
A lot of people think long distance is just texting all day and missing the other person, but it's more complex, right?
Much more. It's communication, expectations, trust, and, honestly, discipline.
The discipline of answering messages even when you're tired?
Yes, and the discipline of not overthinking everything.
That part is hard, especially if you're both in different time zones.
My first long-distance relationship was exactly like that. She lived 6 hours ahead of me.
6 hours? That's tough.
Yes, when I woke up, she was having lunch. When she wanted to watch a movie together, I was ready to sleep.
That alone can destroy the rhythm.
So true. And listeners, if you ever enter a long-distance relationship, the first lesson is have a realistic idea of what long-distance means. Not fantasy, not movies, real effort.
And patience. A lot of patience. Okay, let me start with mine. I was 19 and he moved to another country for university. We had been together for 1 year, and suddenly we were an ocean apart.
That's a big jump. How did you handle the first week?
The first week, I cried every day.
Honest and relatable.
But after that emotional storm, we started creating small routines. We called every night for 10 minutes. Only 10. But those 10 minutes helped us stay connected. That's smart. Short, but consistent. Exactly. No pressure to talk for 1 hour. Sometimes we only talked about our day. Sometimes we said nothing special. But that's the thing. Long distance is not about big romantic moments. It's about continuity.
Did anything funny happen?
Oh, yes. One time, I fell asleep on the call while he was telling a story. And when I woke up, I said, "Wow, that was interesting." But I had no idea what he said.
Fake listener.
Guilty.
But that's normal. Relationships need humor, especially long distance.
Oh, yes. If you can't laugh, you're done.
My turn. Mine started online, actually. We met in a forum, back when people still used forums.
Vintage romance.
Exactly. We talked for months, and then one day she said, "Why don't we video call?" And that changed everything.
That moment when you see the person for the first time on camera, it's magical and awkward at the same time.
I was so nervous that I accidentally opened the camera before fixing my hair.
So she saw your natural morning glory?
Yes, and she laughed. That broke the ice.
That's cute.
The relationship lasted almost 1 year. But here's what I learned. Long distance needs honest communication. Not perfect communication, but honest. Say when you're sad, say when you're overwhelmed, say when you miss them. Don't hide your emotions because you're afraid of making things heavy.
Yes. Silence in long distance feels 10 times louder.
Exactly.
People usually expect jealousy or missing each other, but the real surprise is how different lifestyles become.
Yes, you grow separately. You make new friends. Your days don't match.
And sometimes you feel guilty for being happy. Like, should I go out with my friends when they're having a bad day?
True, it's confusing.
For me, the biggest challenge was time. Not time zone, just time. I was busy at university, he was busy with work, and we slowly talked less.
For me, it was the "what are we" question.
The relationship label?
Yes, long distance forces you to define things early. Are we serious? Are we trying? Are we meeting someday?
Long distance without a future plan is just emotional camping.
Emotional camping. I love that.
Sleeping outside in the cold with no bathroom. This part? Oh, this is magical. The first moment you meet after months.
Goosebumps moment.
I remember waiting at the airport. I was shaking, happy shaking, nervous shaking, all emotions together. And then he walked out of the arrival gate, smiling. And suddenly, the whole relationship felt real again.
That moment is unforgettable.
Completely.
The first time I met my long-distance girlfriend, I saw her coming toward me, and we both froze. It felt like time stopped for a second.
Did you hug? Did you shake hands? Did you run?
We hugged, the long, awkward, I don't want to let go hug, but awkward in a cute way.
That's beautiful. And listeners, an interesting thing is, meeting in person teaches you things video calls never show. How tall they are, how they smell, how they walk, how they hold your hand.
Yes, and that helps the relationship evolve. It becomes real, physical, grounded.
And also, sometimes it teaches you that the connection was stronger online than in real life.
That can happen too. And that is okay.
Let's give our listeners some lessons from our experiences.
Number 1, create routines, small ones. Daily voice notes, weekly calls, shared playlists, something that says, I'm here.
Number 2, don't expect 24/7 communication. Healthy long-distance relationships give space.
Number 3, talk about the future. A plan brings stability.
Number 4, accept that not all long-distance relationships survive. And that's not failure. People grow. Distance reveals truth.
And number 5, When you meet in person again, be present. Put the phone away. Enjoy the moment. Looking back, even though mine didn't last, I'm grateful for it. It taught me how to communicate better.
Same here. It taught me patience, clarity, and how to express emotions.
And I think long distance shows what relationships are really made of.
Absolutely. If you can love from far away, you can love anywhere.
And that's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed this conversation, remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with someone who might need it. And tell us, have you ever been in a long-distance relationship? What did you learn? We'd love to hear your stories.
Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep believing in your journey.
Bye, everyone.